So that was the angle of elevation, where you need to find out this alpha angle where the person sees above. Okay, there is something building, sun or anything above, and that person is looking above, and that angle is made with the sight line and with the baseline. So that angle is called angle of elevation. Now we are coming to angle of depression. So angle of depression is, let's say this is a building, that is a building, okay, on top, a building, and there is a person on top of that. He's standing over there, and that building, now this is the ground, down below this is the ground, and there is, let's take a boat again. So there is a boat, and that person is looking to the boat straight. Okay. So, and the straight line here is that one, that is a straight dot. I will make a dotted line. So now this angle is called angle of depression, because now he is looking down below, and the angle made with that straight line will be called angle of depression. So this is called angle of depression. So again, the method is the same. We will make a triangle out of this. Okay, this is a triangle. This will become a triangle, and we will solve this triangle using the trigonometric ratios. Okay, the sine theta, use sine theta, cos theta, or tangent theta. Use these three values to solve this triangle. This triangle we will have. Now, but the question is that angle of depression is coming outside of the triangle, right? That might be the issue. So what do you think? How can we tackle this issue? Since the angle of depression is outside of the triangle. So how can we do that? Because we need angle inside of the triangle in order to solve for that, okay? In order to find out that angle. Okay, let me explain you that we will here use actually we will use the alternate angle concept. Okay, alternate, this is called alternate angle concept, and we have studied this concept before in your previous semester, where I told you that if there is a z like shape, this type shape, z shape, so the angle which is here will be equal to that angle. Okay, so let's say that is alpha, so this will also be alpha. In the other scenario, z shape like that, so if that is the alpha angle, we call that one also the angle alpha. So both, in both scenario, whether that is a z shape like that or z shape like this, in both scenario those two angles will be the same. So here we have alpha, so this alpha will be here, so you can take that alpha to this side. So this alpha and that alpha will be the same because it is like a z shape. Look at that, a z shape, so that z shape. And now you have this alpha here. Now if you want to find the angle of depression in this scenario, let's say this side is given to you, that is 50 meters, and this side is, let's say, 60 meters. Okay, so you can use them, any of these trigonometric ratios, to find out that angle of depression.